Well, I'm gonna start now my new job for today. I've here in my hands that makes so easy to do, repair, easy to solve and find a solution, but a lot of persons around the world have the same problem and there's no solution. They are opening your quadcopters without the skill for doing the repair. Let's go. We have here in my hand a new DJI Mini 3. After fall down, this quadcopter is too bad. Without the gimbal is here in my hands. I repaired the gimbal because the flat cable was very damaged. There's no condition for use this flat cable. Perfect. And now the gimbal is perfect for use, but the system there's no condition for start the job. And I need to solve this situation because I will show to you that the quadcopter don't start the job. Doesn't start the job. Look. Listen. There's nothing. We can see the lights. And when I try to make the control function, I need to see if there is condition for bind. There's bind, but there's no function. And I need to solve the situation. I will start now the app and I will see if there is anything avoiding. They don't let the system start my job here in this quadcopter. There's no function, and when I try to turn on the quadcopter, I don't have function about the motor and gyroscope. I need to solve the situation because battery is perfect. The main board is working, but the S board don't make nothing. A lot of person all day have any problem with ESC in DJI models. Sometimes there's no damage. It's only a bad function of the system. Otherwise, we have here a problem to solve because there are three things to do in this quadcopter. And I will show to you now in the app what is happening with this quadcopter. Let's go. Okay, look, we have good GPS signal and we have the battery readings, but we have here a problem. The drone is too hot now here in my hands. We have a problem with the hardware of the battery, a problem with motor, and a problem with connection of any motor here. Perfect. There's no condition to fly. There's no image because the gimbal is not fixed in this quadcopter. Look, anything here about transmission? Perfect. A problem with Wi-Fi. And the drone is too hot. I will need to turn off because there's anything too bad here. Battery, perfect. Okay, let me see now if I've conditioned to calibrate. If it's calibrated, I need to... the quadcopter is too hot. Anything is bad here. I need to look. Okay, perfect. But the quadcopter is too hot. I have a problem with the ESC board. The quadcopter is too hot, really. And this is bad. Well, I was making my job here, and I looking that the battery is too hot and the quadcopter too. Perfect. If we have anything bad in the ESC system or hardware system to make all the functions to leave the charge to all the places of the drone, we have a quadcopter too hot. Here, I will show to you the ESC board here. Look. There's anything bad in this ESC board and I need to solve for left this quadcopter perfect to fly. I would like to see again replacing the ESC board. Let me see what happens. Nothing. I would like to see again. I need to be right about the damage here. Sometimes a bad connection starts a problem difficult to solve. And here in this ESC board, I think that the connection to the flat cable and the board is too bad, and don't let the board work with perfection. And I will solve it. Well, looking for something in the ESC board, I'm seeing that ESC board is burning. If you have a quadcopter in your house, and when you turn on, the quadcopter is hot, very hot, anything is bad. Here there's no solution. ESC board is burned. The ESC board completely burned. Look. Here, in this place. I will show it to you. But the ESC board, there's no condition. This ESC board is over. Needs to rest for always. I will replace. Perfect. I'm here with the ESC board and I will show to you that the ESC board was too hot when the quadcopter was in function. The owner, after sent to repair, talked that it was flying and the avoidance system was without function. The sensor was without function and the quadcopter after crash fell down. But look here. Look, the destruction. Here, in this place. There's no condition. This board is damaged. There's nothing to do here. Impossible to work again. Really burned. Is the end. The end to this board. I will replace, and after I talk about this situation in DJI quadcopters, Mini 2 and Mini 3. Mini 3, 4 is a thing that happens all day with any person in this world. And I will show to you a solution to avoid the situation in your quadcopter. Let's go. Well, I'm tired. I was replacing the ASCII board, and if you don't make this job carefully, you will have problem. Now, I need to see if my job is good in this quadcopter or no. If you don't have attention, don't pay attention, you may destroy your quadcopter. It has any places fragile, and you need to be like the wind, for don't damage nothing here. You don't need to use no strong force, only the good moves for left, all the places safe. Sometimes when I'm here in my job, I receive quadcopters for repair, and they are really very damaged. But a lot of the damages in the quadcopter arise by the hands of the owners trying to repair anything in the quadcopter. We need to be slowly. We need to make with attention. We don't need to run and don't need to use the power. There is a right form to fix everything in a quadcopter. I will come back with this quadcopter. Finish it. Only I need now to replace the gimbal and the GPS system, and this quadcopter will be good. Well, this is the end. Now this quadcopter is good for fly. Perfect. It seems perfect. Okay, wonderful. Well, I'm finishing this job, and I need to talk to you about the situation. Sometimes, when your quadcopter has the damage called on the app that you've a nasty bad function, sometimes isn't the motor. It may be other things in your quadcopter. The best thing is look for a professional for repair your quadcopter. A lot of places there's no one, but you need to be careful because quadcopter isn't easy to do the repair. I talk this every day here in when I where I live, but the people looking my job, looking the things here in this channel, think that is too easy to do. So my counsel for today is if your quadcopter has this in the system anything talking that you have bad function in ASCII board or power board, you need to be careful because the problem is with the board that make the energy arrive in all the parts of your quadcopter. If you have problems of ask, and sometimes the app talks that only one of the motors are automated, you have things so easy to solve. Because when you start the job, all the motors make small moves to talk to the system that they are free for make your job. And if any motor is hardly to move or there's no move, the system tell to you that this motor is bad for function. Okay, that's all. That's all. I hope to all you. I don't know where are you living now. I received message here of all the places in this world, and a lot of persons talk English. And I hope to all you and all the people that in any place will be here in this video, in this channel, or looking for any solution in my channel. I hope.